inheritance tax, thoughts on that prior to Labour's first budget 2024. This one's a difficult one to talk about because there's been a lot said, but also not particularly anything that seems to be repeated or concrete, in my opinion. So there's been talk about the changing of the amount, the band. Okay, so at the moment, the first 325,000 that is left to the next generation is tax-free. Everything above that is taxed at 40%. So there's been talk about the band changing. There's been talk about reliefs. Okay, so there are certain reliefs for some assets that do not attract the same level of tax, or you don't pay tax on certain assets that are left. Again, removing those. This one's really speculative. I don't know that there's anything that is really concrete on this. I'm also talking about the 7-year rule. So if you gift assets 7 years before death, then again they can fall out of the estate and not be taxable. Again, that is kind of really guesswork. So this one's really hard to plan for. There is plenty of planning that you can do around inheritance tax, but in terms of the new rules, I think my advice on this is, do the normal planning. Okay, have discussions with your tax advisor about what should be done with your estate as early as possible. Early planning is the best thing you can do on this. So same advice as what it normally would be at the moment, and we just wait and see what the budget says. Thanks a lot, guys.